Hello guys, so in today's video we will discuss about useRef, how what is useRef and how we will use in our code and what benefit uh, we have in using useRef, right? useRef is a React hook which is very powerful, used to manage the we can manipulate the DOM of the React application very easily using useRef. We do not uh, use document.getElement in React.js, so we have to use useRef, right? So what are the benefit of using it? I have mentioned here. So it manipulate the direct DOM, and it helps in optimizing the rendering. It do not re-renders, storing mutable values that persist across the renders. uh, you can store the values of different render. Let's say you are making a increment counter application, right? So you click increment, then it will increase. Let's say if you have increase button, you click it will increase. And if you want to compare the value with the previous state, we can do that using useRef, keeping track of values from the previous state, managing timers and interval efficiently. So let's say we have a timer, right? And when we click start timer, and let's say it goes to 5. So for clearing this state, we can use the useRef and store the id of that timer, and when we stop we can clear using the reference. So the most easy and mostly used is direct DOM manipulation. I will give you the examples. So I have written two examples. This is the about the input increment and previous state. Okay, you can go and check it out. I will explain you the focus input part. Okay, so what it does, let me go to the application first and explain what it is doing. So when you enter some values here, right? If you enter some values, it will be executed, it will be manipulated by the form. Let's say if you enter Sudhanshu, okay, so on click of this focus button there will be an alert. Okay, see, there is an alert. And if I remove this thing, and then click on the focus, see here nothing is highlighted, right? And once I click on it, it will give it the error key, you have to enter the some text, and the input box is highlighted and focused, right? So let's see in the code what it does. So we have created a input reference which is pointing to the current value of the input box. If we console log here, console.log input for input reference dot current, then it will reference this input box. Okay, and we are checking the input current value is empty, then we are setting the error value and focusing the input to that field. Okay, if we do not focus, then what it will show, let me comment it and then go to the code UI and reload it. It is reloaded, and see, let me first hit enter without entering anything. See, now it is not highlighted, and see here input box is printed, right? Now I uncomment this code, now save it, and then now again I will hit enter, then it will get focused. See, focus. So for focusing we have to write input dot current dot focus. Similarly, if you go to the reference optimization, we have created a input reference and it is referencing to the count value and it is increasing by 1, and every time we click it is increasing by 1. You can go and check this example as well for better understanding. If you have any other things that we should add into it, then let me know. I will add it, and I will update this readme add as well with more examples and explanations. Apart from this, I guess this is the basic that you can use frequently in the React application. Thank you.